General cleanroom rules, housekeeping. Minimizing contamination is a key responsibility of a cleanroom operator. Any materials or equipment not in use should be stored in the appropriate closet or cabinet to prevent particles depositing on them. Waste materials should be disposed of quickly, and waste containers should be emptied at regular intervals according to cleanroom cleaning SOPs. When carrying out these and all other cleanroom activities, an operator should always move slowly to avoid generating particles. Opening and closing of containers, cabinets, closets, and airlocks should also be done slowly. This helps maintain laminar or unidirectional airflow and filtration efficiency. Cleanroom monitoring, air pressure. Air pressure is an important parameter used to prevent unfiltered and unconditioned air from entering a cleanroom. Monitoring and maintaining the air pressure is done automatically, but to check that these controls are functioning correctly, manual testing is carried out on a regular basis. This is done using instruments such as a calibrated and tested manometer. Any difference in readings is reported to the supervisor and action taken to identify and fix the error.